hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Hotter. Everything what them tell me say, I'm real sorry. I admit, yes, I said, but I'm real sorry. And it was me naive.
Blessing my viewers, blessing my subscribers. I don't know NEWLINK there from NEWLINK production, and you don't know it's a beautiful Sunday giving thanks for life as usual, I understand. And today I know people come for this showcase a little video, I understand. And this is about a program that I say, because this program, I love it so much, people, and I really appreciate the work that this lady is doing, who goes by the name of Miss Donna. You understand? And she's from an address in Kingston, people, and she have a Facebook page where she come on her Facebook, and she help so much people, you know what I mean? She help elder people, she help young people, she help so much people who maybe can't help themselves, you understand? And she is seeking help for them through social media, where people all overseas give their donation and their support. And may I just big up everyone. I never talked to this lady before, never met her in person or anything like that, people, but I don't know when NEWLINK do, you know. We deal with peace, we deal with love, and we love to see when people have a good heart out there. And once we say people have a good heart out there, we have to really show love and support to them. And for everyone, you understand, who are donating on this lady channel, I have to big up on yourself, man. But in the end, people, you know, in a life, anytime you see good something is happening where it's great, the devil always going to find himself in there, and the devil going to find somebody who for try to mess up things, you understand? So I say where this lady she have this girl on her program who goes by the name of Sherica, and yo she helped this girl so much. Me I tell her the truth, people. And if you're watching, many people watch this program because this lady, yeah man, she's one of the terriblest thing for YouTube, not getting the views and people watching her stuff, and it's great, you understand? And Sherica, you know, I heard Miss Donna come the other night and just say, yo, Sherica, call up her name and one bag of something, we should do a video, understand? But today now, people, I see Sherica send a video yesterday and apologize, go on her knee and apologize and talk about a thing, and you know what I mean, which I really love the fact how she be a woman and she come and she apologize, and she yes, she confessed she do it, she did it, and she said yes, she do it. So I'm going to show you the video of Sherica apologizing to Miss Donna, people. And at the end of the day, you know what I mean, forgiveness is good, you understand? So that hope Miss Donna forgive her, and you know what I mean, hope things can mend between the two of them, because at the end, you know, people, it's life, you know, we have to forgive, because the Bible don't tell us already. But at the end, yo, Miss Donna, don't give up, and don't let no one stop her from do the good work. So you don't continue helping these people, because God has sent you to help these people, and to these people you are an angel, you understand, sent by God, because you're helping so much people and you have touched so much people's lives. So if you are my subscribers, I'm not go too long in night, you know what I mean, I'm going to just show you the video and make the video just end here. So because at the end of the day, people, you know what I mean, we have to just give thanks to life. So blessings, people, enough love, enough respect, peace, big up.
Something go down, I can't explain how it go, I may explain it, it look like a lie. But I said some derogative things because I feel hurt. A lot of time I get flopped to by the same lady intelligently, I'm a polish it off. I never try to hurt her, but I say some things, I'm real sorry. I'm real sorry. I mean real sorry about what I say. I mean I cry because I want to sympathy. I'm real sorry about everything, because before Miss Donna show up, I always cut to her and she always help me. So everything what them tell me say, I'm real sorry. I admit, yes, I said, but I'm real sorry. And it was me naive, I'm dunce, I'm not. Things just crawl up on me and me outspoken, and sometimes I use my mouth too much. I said the things them, and I'm real sorry if I'm done in my belly. I'm weak to the situation, because all who used to call me like they care no more. Them have all kind of names for me. So I really apologize to Miss Donna personally, or whosoever out there have me as a bad person. I get that way for a period of time, yes. But when I realize I'm stupid, people push me to it, people duplicate my mind, people have things to say too. I wasn't the only one talking, but I'm real sorry, I apologize. I swear to Miss Donna, straightforward.
gonna do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK. Hotter.